Kawasaki also introduced their newest motorbike, the H2 SX SE 2023. This sports-faring motorbike with a touring style gets new color choices and more tourer-style features. One of the new features embedded in the 2023 Kawasaki H2 SX SE is the Auto High Beam System or Automatic High Beam System. This system is usually installed in premium cars, but this time Kawasaki has integrated the technology into the motorbike. This system is installed via a sensor under the front shield. The Auto High Beam feature will intelligently detect the amount of light around the motorbike to help decide whether to activate or deactivate the system. This sensor will detect objects from a distance of up to 200 meters and can decide to turn off the system when it detects an object traveling in the opposite direction, or when the motorbike approaches the vehicle in front of it. In terms of engine specifications, not much has changed about this motorbike. The 2023 Kawasaki H2 SX SE still relies on a 998cc, inline 4-cylinder, 4-stroke, turbocharged engine, which can produce maximum power of up to 197 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 136 Nm at 9,500 revolutions per minute. High-end features are also still available on this motorbike, such as the KECS electric front suspension system, which collaborated with Showa to develop the Skyhook system, which can directly adjust the performance of the front shock absorbers without having to stop the vehicle. The new 2023 color scheme for the Kawasaki H2 SX SE will be available in emerald glazed green, metallic Diablo black, metallic graphite gray, and will be the only color option available this year. In the United States, this motorbike is marketed at a price of $28,000.